In previous videos in this series, we've covered creating a new record division in FreeQMS and granting access to the division for a specific user. In this video, we will use the same user to create a record in the same division. Let's confirm what we've done so far. First, we'll click the divisions icon. Here we can see the second division we created, Pharmaceutical, for our Pharma division's record. We can see there is only one user with access to this division, and so far, no records in this division. We'll click the Users icon. Here we can see our user James that we granted access to the Pharmaceutical division. We'll click Edit in line with this user. Here we can see this user has create, edit, and view access to the Suppliers division and access to the Medical Device and Pharmaceutical divisions. This user is ready to create a supplier record in the Pharmaceutical division. Let's click the Suppliers module. Click Create Supplier. We'll give this supplier a title of Pharmaceutical Supplier. Everything we put on this record is not important, it's just a test. Finally, here at the bottom is what we came for. We can select the divisions dropdown and see our options: Global, Medical Device, and Pharmaceutical. Select the Pharmaceutical division and click Save. We can see here that our test supplier appears with the other suppliers in our instance because this user can see both divisions. Let's select Pharmaceutical Supplier. Here we can see the Suppliers division is Pharmaceutical. This supplier is visible to any users who have access to the Pharmaceutical division and permission to the Suppliers module. The next video in our series will cover moving records between divisions.